Charts can be accessed just like everything else through one click on the admin dashboard or the employee dashboard. So I'm logged in as the admin, so I'm going to click on charts from my admin dashboard. And the idea with the chart builder is that this works really well for flowcharts or org charts or anything where you might need to just kind of have a white space to move some things around, move some ideas around. So you can choose to connect dots or not. So if I click on new chart, I will get a blank open screen here. But if I had something like an org chart, I would have the cards in here, and this is basically how it works. So you can add more cards to this and you just move them in place wherever you want, and you just type over whatever you want to put in it. And then you can also have the circle options with a bunch of different colors as well. Now, the software is constantly getting additions and updates and new features. And so this is current as of February 26th. But if you want to drop a line on my website for feedback you'd like to see in a function like this or in the comments, please do. And so right now, in order to connect these, I have the lines off by default, but if you want to connect the lines, you would just turn that on. And then when you click between the shapes, you'll start to be able to connect the lines. And you can move things wherever you want. And so right now it's in draft mode. If I turn this to final, those delete options go away. And so everyone who's viewing this would know that this is final. And so you can turn this public or private and share it with some employees. So if you're working on someone or working with someone on an org chart or a flow chart, you might want to keep it private to just their access before you turn it public, or you might always keep it private, whatever your choice is. But it's really, really handy for being able to collaborate among whoever you want to be able to collaborate with. And so if I scroll down here, you can copy the chart. The chart, of course, doesn't exactly copy to Excel because it's a chart versus a spreadsheet, but it will copy all of the information that you have in the chart and then put it into Excel in a really nice column format. So that works well. So you want to make sure you save when you're done here to keep any updates, and that's the chart builder.